Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning C programming. And this program is to find the maximum number among two numbers. This program is to find maximum, right? So now, for a beginner programmer, I told you and I'm repeatedly telling to, repeatedly telling in every video that every programmer has to start coding once after you analyze the question. The question is what? To find the maximum, right? So now there will be one number which is maximum and there will be other number which is minimum, right? Now, so how can we know one is maximum? How can we know? By comparing. So one relational operator has to be used, and among two numbers I told you, right? Two numbers in the sense you have to take two input variables. Okay, this is what analysis of the program. Two numbers are required and these two numbers has to be undergo with a condition to print the maximum. Okay, now start coding it. As we need two numbers, declare the two variables. So number 1 and number 2. Now enter two numbers, 2 percentile Ds. Why? Because my two numbers are in integer data type. Hence I have taken percentile Ds. And the first percentile D indicates first decimal value that will be pointing to ampersand number 1 location. The second percentile D is second value which will be placed in ampersand number 2. And once we know the numbers, now you can check with the relational operator which is maximum. Number 1 greater than number 2. So by supplying the values from scanf, let us suppose that I have given 10 and 12. Assume these values I gave in the output. So now number 1 is what? 10. Number 2 is what? 12. Now 10 is greater than 12. Condition fail. When condition is fail, will not execute this and will come down. What is there here? Number 2 greater number 1. Now number 2 is what? 12. Number 1 is what? 10. So we'll be able to print this maximum. And if both are equal, we'll print this. And one thing we have to understand, when the condition is pass or when the condition is true, we are given access to enter into this block. Otherwise, will not enter into this block. Intern will come out. So come out. When you come out, so up till and until this block closed, you cannot access it. Once after you close this one, you can access. Now this statement you can access. The same. If the condition is true, we'll get access. If not, we'll come out of the loop. So definitely there will be either or conditions. It can be of number 1 maximum, it can be of number 2 maximum, or it can be of equal, right? So this is what using of simple if. This is what using of simple if. If you have a question to use simple if else, then you may not use this one. Instead you can put simply else. That's it. I'll repeat. This program is to use simple if statement or if condition. If the question is if else, then you can just ignore this line and instead of this you can put here else, and this is not required. Fine. Now let's see the output. So to see the output, delete this extra lines or put comment. Now I'm executing the program and I supply two values 10 and 12. So first if block will not execute, instead second if block will be executes. Now we'll print 12 is the maximum. So you please try, okay, you please try the same program with if else. Okay, yes, thank you all.